isa na namang edisyon ng MIB, Mga Inventor ng Bayan. Ako pa rin ang inyong mga kasama, Sheila Edubas. Bueno, maganda po ang ating tatalakayin ngayong araw dahil isang eksperto sa tubig ang ating mga kasama, si Engineer Harry Freires na inventor ng Soba Drop na gamot para sa mga may sakit na acidity na maaring mag-cause ng cancer at iba pang mas malalang sakit. Kaya makakasama natin ngayon, magandang araw, Engineer Harry Freires.
Magandang araw din po sa mga nakikinig.
Yes
Kayo.
po. Nabanggit po natin kanina itong inyong Soba Drop na na-imbento. Gamot po ito sa acidity. So, bakit po ito yung inyong inimbento at ano po ba itong Soba Drop?
Ang SOBA po, ibig sabihin is sterilized, oxygenated, bicarbonate, buffered, alkaline. Na-imbento ko po ito sa Saudi Arabia. Nagkaroon ng problema sa city ng military officers doon. And I was the plant and operation maintenance manager. Pakukulong po ako at nilalasong ko laudo ang militar. So, konting dasal lang at yun po ang dumaan sa aking isip na it must be solved by buffering technology na itinuturo ko po sa university sa Mindanao State, Iligan City. Almost 6 months ko pong diniskartihan at na-solve po yung problema. And a water committee was formed to evaluate my work and they approve it. So, nilabel po nila akong scientist, yung mga British at American doctors of chemistry, yung mga Arabic. So, doon po at I claim to produce the first in the world na bicarbonate buffered alkaline drinking water. So, hindi ko po alam ang medical value po niyan. That was 1986. It is only in about 2008, 2009, when Konsehal Raymond Yupanco, 5th District of Manila, Harry, you make me an alkaline. And I made an alkaline to Konsehal Raymond. And then later on, he told me that, Harry, it detox me. We have to commercialize it.
Sir, matanong ko lang kanina, nasabi nyo na nakulong kayo sa Saudi Arabia. What exactly happened?
Hindi po ako nakulong, ipakukulong pa lang.
Ipakukulong.
I was treated by Mr. Al-Gandhi, one of the managers of the Ministry of Defense. Harry, I think we have to bring you to jail because you are poisoning us. Because
you tried to use yung etong Soba Drop sa iniinom nila?
Hindi ko pa na-perform yun. That's my solution. Yung planta ko po ng tubig, ako parang nawasa po ako. Ako po nagsusupply ng drinking water sa isang city ng mga military officers from lieutenant to 5-star general, anak ni King Fahad. So, I'm producing the right pH of drinking water, but pagdating dun sa city, nung inanalyze ng aking chemist, 10.2, which is a violation of drinking water standards of the United Nations and the World Health Organization. So, the maximum is 8.5 for drinking water, and they have 10.2.
Nung chinek mo, 8.5, pero pagdating na dun sa...
Pagdating sa city, several kilometers going to the city, naging 10.2.
Why is that?
When I analyzed the problem, there was an impurity in the distribution system na hindi na namin gawa ng kumpanya namin. It was made by Bin Laden group of companies. Yung may-ari ng tatay ni Osama Bin Laden. He's close to royal family.
And ito yung nag-lead dito sa invention mo?
Itong problema na to, nag-lead dito sa invention ko.
So, ito is alkaline is nagiging gamot siya sa mga sakit na kagaya ng acidity. Paano niya nagagamot to?
Nilalabanan niya ang acidity through buffering. That's why when I presented this to the health department sa Marikina, when I was invited by the mayor then, I forget the name, I defined immunity against diseases as buffering. It means in chemistry, the resistance to pH change. Yung Soba water, drinking water na Soba, marami na ako nagawang refilling station, lagyan mo ng acid, alkaline pa rin. The ordinary substance like hydroxide and carbonate has no buffering. Lagyan mo ng acid, nagiging acid na yung tubig. Pero yung Soba water, lagyan mo ng acido, alkaline pa rin, lumalaban. So that's the one that is the secret of the medicinal value of this invention that I have 3 patents on this.
So, how do you, paano to pinoproseso itong Soba Drop mo?
Ang process natin dyan, when I was teaching this in the university, the concept of buffering, very boring nga lang, no? Tulog yung estudyante ko because it requires, wala kasi yung application eh. It requires a weak acid, the dissolved carbon dioxide, and a conjugate salts. Sodium, magnesium, potassium, bicarbonates. Pag sinabi natin conjugate salt, kaapelyido ng hydrogen bicarbonate na yun ang dissolved carbon dioxide. So yung conjugate are calcium, whatever be the cation, but ang apelyido niya bicarbonate pa rin. So conjugate salts ang tawag doon. The combination of a weak acid, hydrogen bicarbonate, or a dissolved carbon dioxide, and the conjugate salts, you form a vapor in the water. Okay, medyo complicated. I have formed two quadratic equations on this, on hydroxide, if the hydroxide is the impurities or the hydrogen ion, acidity, is the impurity. I have formed two quadratic equations that help me solve the problem in Saudi Arabia.
So aside from acidity, ano pa yung mga ibang illness na maaring masolusyonan sa pamamagitan ng inyong soba?
Even alkalosis is solved by soba water.
What kind of illness is alkalosis?
The blood pH goes above 7.4 because the healthy blood pH is the acid-base balance at a value of pH at 7.4. If the pH is below 7.4, let's say 7.3, 7.2, 7.1, acidosis po yun, although alkaline, no? If our blood pH goes below 7, we go into a coma. Mamamatay tayo. Now, if the blood pH goes above 7.4, naging 7.6, 7.5, alkalosis po yun. That's a very rare. So, both alkalosis and acidosis is solved by SOBA.
So how will yung mga nanonood sa atin, paano nila malalaman if they have acidosis?
99% of all sickness are acidosis. The public does not know that. Yung alkalosis yata, gumagapang ka na, hindi ka na makatayo.
What are the symptoms? Are you familiar with the symptoms?
I know only the alkalosis, which is rare one. Hindi ka na makatayo. Mahina ka. Pero yung mga acidosis, yan ang cause ng cancer. Hindi lumalaganap sa publiko yan, sa buong mundo. But it is already stated by a German scientist, Otto von Warburg, 1931 Nobel Prize awardee because of that definition. Tapos, the acidity, the diabetes, laging biniblame ang sugar. But when I experimented, it is not sugar that is harmful. It is the product of fermentation of sugar, which is glucomic acid or any acids, and then it goes to the blood, and you have acidosis. It destroys the body organs and the tissue. So you die. And then arthritis, uric acid, and the other tumor in the body caused by acidity is healed by SOBA. Napakaganda po. Hindi ko pa nilalagay sa dyaryo. Kumalat na sa Pilipinas. May mga order ako galing sa Mindanao, Visayas, Luzon. And then we send by LBC. Cebuana na lang ang payment nila. And nung FDA ina-attack ang alkaline, nilusog namin yung FDA. Bakit yung ina-attack ang alkalinity? Ano gusto nyo painom sa amin? Is acidity, di nagkasakit kami. So finally, I talked to the scientist, si Gigi doon, and then 2 hours in-explain ko, dinemo ko yung buffering, bumilib siya. Hari, this gave honor to our country in a foreign land, bibigyan kita ng FDA number, tracking number. So may FDA tracking number.
So ito bang inyong SOBA drop is meron ba tong mga tendencies na what if sensitive yung tao, tapos kunwari marami siyang allergy, marami siyang hindi kinakain?
Isang British, si Mike, I forget the name, in-interview niya ako sa Makati Square. Meron siyang prostate cancer, okay, and laging masakit. And then he wants to buy SOBA. In-interview niya ako, Hari, if my body is damaged by your SOBA, whom do I have to blame? Sabi, you have to blame me. You can even kill me. Okay, he bought about 30 bottles at 500 each. And then after 2 days, he called me, Hari, the pain in my prostate is gone in 2 days. I threw away my medicine. So that's a British national. It's not even my pet.
Yes. So how about when it comes to age limits? Yung mga bata ba pwede rin gumamit nito?
Yes.
Wala naman siyang age limits or pinipili na edad.
Wala.
Basta anyone who's experiencing na problem when it comes to their acidity level or meron silang possible na acidosis, pwede nilang inumin.
Pwede lang inumin.
But how many yung dosage na kailangan nilang intake? Do they have to prescribe pa sa inyo o pwedeng sila na mismo yung kasi drop to sila na mismo yung uminom?
Yung katulad din siyang Singaporean na may leukemia, I recommended 10 drops per glass. Okay? Gumaling yung leukemia niya. Tumaas yung red blood corpuscles. Pag diabetic, kidney or diabetic, about 6 to 8 drops. Tapos, yung mga arthritis, etc., mga 4 to 6 drops. Preventive, about 2 to 3 drops. Preventive. So, ganun ang recommendation ko. Pero, if this will become the academics of my medical profession, since I have a quadratic equation on acidosis, so the equation will give you the amount of bicarbonate needed by the body to bring your blood pH to 7.4. It is an accurate, what you call this, prognosis and definition of the problem and solution. So, mathematical na ngayon ang pag-solve ng problema mo. May sakit ka dahil acidosis ka below 7.4. Ilang bicarbonate ang kailangan mo para ibalik sa 7.4? May mathematics po tayo niyan. And I hope in the future, this will be the type of clinics we have to solve the sickness of the Filipinos or any human being.
So, alam ko marami nanonood sa atin ngayon at paano kunwari babibili sila sa inyo ng inyong produkto? Do they have to, since they don't know how to do the equation, so they have to ask you about the total number of dosage that they will
Yeah, they
drink?
ask me for the others are just putting it below their tongue for drops. One old man, yung kanyang angina pectoris, in one day it was healed. Okay? Yung breast cancer ng isang member ng Rockefeller family, bumili sa akin, nagpasalamat, Hari, thank you, wala nang ma-detect na cancer cells. So, napakaganda po nitong invention ko. Hindi ko po inaasahan na ganito. So, makakatulong po ito sa cost ng yung medical expenses.
But when it comes to checking the invention itself, sa DOST, do we already have a patent and ni-recognize na ba siya ng DOST?
I have 3 patents on this via the IPO, Intellectual Property Office. Sa FDA, they know this already. They gave me FDA tracking number. Sabi nga nila doon, Hari, if you later on mass produce this, you have to put a label. There is no approved therapeutic claim. And knowing the fact that many are healed, I was trying to joke to that scientist. Can we put a fine print below this na only seen by multiplying gas? GG? What shall we put there? Joke only.
Lagyan na lang naman no?
Joke only.
Yeah. Pero when it comes to sir, is it already available to the market or they have to tap you pa, they have to contact you, they have to go to the ST before they can actually buy the product?
I have been interviewed also by the Radyo ng Bayan. Many are calling me, and those who were healed, they become my dealer because they personal experience. Passionate sila, ito effective. Ito nga, high blood nito, na healed libre, binigyan ko lang
Wow!
kasama akong inventor. Inatake sa puso yan
So talagang it's really that effective?
That's effective. So, ganun siguro, if there is one pharmaceutical industry that is wants to manufacture this. Pero yung pa nga, yung aking market, hindi pa ako makakagawa ng 100,000 bottles a day. Hindi pa kaya. So, ganun nga, yung mga dealer ko, minsan they sold it at 800. One lady,
bottle is 800 pesos.
800 they're selling, although I give them lower. Isabella, 3, he bought, so 2, 4. And his cancer of the uterus was healed. May taning na siya ng 6 months. What is 2,400? Your cancer is healed. See the logic?
Yes. Oo. So how about yung mga nanonood sa atin ngayon na curious sila, gusto nilang bumili, where can they go?
So
Where
they
can
can
they
they can call the cellphone number 0949 0949 436 936 sorry 9970 or doon sa office 562-2782 562-2782 or my mobile number 579-6301. Yan lang, pag dumiretso sa akin, kawawa naman yung mga dealer ko.
Oo.
Wala sila kikitain. Nila, pabamura sila sa akin eh. Pero kahit sila bumili doon sa mga may ika nga markup, 2,400. Dumaling ang cancer mo, was 2,400. Di ba?
Yes. And matanong ko na rin, what inspired you to make this kind of invention? And aside from this, do you have other inventions even before?
Yes, what inspired me is what happened to our beloved Councilor Raymond Yupanco, that Harry, it detoxed me, so we have to commercialize it. So I was inspired by that because this is produced not for money. It is, I made it in Saudi Arabia to save my life, to solve a chemical problem in my reverse osmosis plant. You see, a 6,000 cubic meter a day reverse osmosis I am handling, operation maintenance. So, 1986 up to 2009, I never mind. But only when it was discovered that it healed the constipation, okay, of our counselor, and then they inspired me to commercialize it, okay, and ngayon ang daming benefit. And not only in the Philippines, I healed one lady, old lady in Manchester for kidney transplant, cancel yung kidney transplant. If that is 100,000 euro operation for pamangkin niya, operahan ko na yung kidney, operahan yung matanda, transfer, 100,000 euro yan, nasa nila. And the son went to my house and thanked me. Binarkada ako. Di ba? Di Singaporean, leukemia, 6 months ang taning. Ang kanya ngayon, buhay pa.
Yes.
Di ba? Si Josephine Friedland, member of Rockefeller family, breast cancer. Few months lang, nagpa-analyze ulit. Hari, wala lang cancer cell detect. Thank you very much, Soba. See, he spent only 15,000 pesos. That's how many dollars?
But how fast is the effect? How fast will they see kung gumagana siya?
The lady in Manchester is 10 days. Then nagpa-analyze ulit ng kidney, tumaas ang performance. Kinansel ang operation ng London doctor. Yung isang mayroong ganyan kalaking tumor sa liver, okay, 7 months siya nagtitake ng soba. Nung nagpa-MRI sa veterans, okay, meron siyang before and after na MRI, the reduction in the size of tumor is 44% in 7 months. These are our measurement. Yung breast cancer is December, January, February, March, 4 months. Okay, yung angina pectoris, 1 day. See the benefits to us Filipino na makakatulong your hard-earned money, di ba? Napupunta lang sa pharmaceutical industry. Di ba? Kawawa naman tayo, hindi naman tayo mayaman. So, ito ngayon ang solution sa ating yung problema sa finances natin. Pagabot tayo ng pagabot, cancer, therapy, ayaw naman gumaling, patay rin. We spend 500,000. Ito, gumagaling.
Yun.
2,400 lang.
Yes, so kaya sa mga nanonood sa atin ngayon, ito hindi lang to sa Pilipinas, sa buong mundo to. Ayan, maaari niyong subukan ang Soba Drop Invention ni Engineer Harry Freires. Maaari niyo siyang kontakin sa 0949-936-9970, 562-2782 at 579-6309. At syempre, bago tayo magpaalam, may mga gusto po kayong batiin o kung gusto niyo pong sabihin sa ating mga kababayan ngayon.
Gusto ko lang ipaabot sa inyo that the inventors, parang mapapaiyak pa tayo nito. We want to have an advocacy to protect the health, to protect the Filipino. Kasi meron talagang naglalason sa atin. Pumunta ka dyan sa 7-Eleven, kung ano mang mga ano dyan, kuha kang pH meter. Analyzein mo lahat ng drinks dyan, puro asido. Di ba tayo nilalason yan? Minsan yung common na mga gamot, tinistol ko, tinesting ko yung pH, asido. Gamot na yan, asido pa. Acidity is the cause of all major diseases. Who will protect the Filipino? Di ba? Nakasakit tayo. So we want to, the Filipino inventor as a whole, we want to have an advocacy to protect the Filipinos from harm, from the businesses of the other foreign countries. Di ba? Yung mga nagmamining dyan, bago nila nalaman na may gold dyan, titirahin mo na lang extra yan. Wala silang pakialam kung sinong tamaan ng extra.
Yes.
Di puro cancer yung malapit sa mining. Di ba? Tuturo po ako ng spectroscopy sa university, the instrumental methods of chemical analysis. So, yun po, the Filipino inventors as a whole, iba-iba kami, mga 20 plus kaming society, we want to put across to the public that we want to protect the welfare of the Filipino scientifically. Okay? One day, we will be putting it in the newspaper, the analysis of a certain product na binobola lang tayo. Okay?
Ayan.
And I want the Filipino inventors from our infighting to become united, that we have a common advocacy for the welfare of all Filipino, if not the whole human beings in this planet. Thank you very much.
Ayan. Talaga namang napakagandang marinig mula mismo sa ating Filipinong inventor, si Sir Harry Freires.
Yes,
Yun. At yan nga ang kabuo ng ating talakayan ngayong araw. Napakarami nating natutunan mula kay Engineer Harry Freires, inventor ng Soba Drop. At syempre, bago tayo magpaalam, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa DOST, STII, kay Director Richard Burgos na tumutulong sa atin para mahanap ang ating mga natatanging inventor. At sa DOST Technology Application Promotion Institute o TAPI. Maraming salamat at nakakatuwang isipin na kumikilos ang ahensya ng gobyerno para suportahan ang ating mga natatanging inventor. Bueno, ako ang inyo nakasama, Sheila Edubas. Laging tandaan na ang kaalaman ay susi sa kaunlaran. Kaya alamin, tuklasin ang galing ng MIB, mga inventor ng bayan.